the Directorate of Fire and Emergency Services has organized a poster competition to ignite young minds with fire safety awareness program. Poster competition has been divided into two groups, Group 1 and Group 2. Group 1 is meant for age 7 to 10 years. Participated under the theme Flames of Harmony and Destruction. And Group 2 for age group 11 to 14 took on the theme Be Fire Safety Champion, Protect, Prevent and Prepare. Almost all together in Group 1 we have got 403 boys and 574 girls. Total comes to 977. And Group 2 includes 255 boys and 420 girls. Altogether comes to 675. The total students participated in Group 1 and Group 2 comes to 1,652 students. Entries have been received all the fire stations at 17 fire stations altogether. Margam fire stations recorded the highest number of the entries with a total of 253 participants, followed by Old Goa fire station with 179 participants. So, in view of National Fire Service Day, which will be coming very soon, from 14 to 28 April, we are organizing Fire Prevention Week. All are very much invited for the function.